It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. Today we have this cute hairstyle to talk about. Can we talk about how easy it was too? Let's jump into it.
But you ain't picking your phone up. Why?
Today's hair sponsor is Julia Hair. I have worked with them in the past, but it's been a minute since I've worked with them. They definitely need to be more frequent on my channel because baby, this wig, oh my goodness. You guys know I love this kind of wig. Highlight curly, I'm sold. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x4 honey blonde curly wig.
Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay.
This wig has a lot of lace. Oh my god, it's messing up my eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna remove some of that because I really can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so to make this really melt down, I'm gonna tint the lace. Oh yeah. So positioning the wig is very important in this step, especially if you're not wearing a bald cap or anything like that. I am going to use this ebon bonding. You can do it in sections.
From me when I need you most, we got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to...
Okay, that part's good. Moving on. My hair would be looking crazy when I take these wigs off.
Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better...
Okay, I'm gonna finish this other side off camera and then come back. She is melted. She should be melted. Okay, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I have to get inspiration, guys. So this is me getting inspiration. I think we're gonna do like that kind of half up.
Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say,
Gonna go in with some Eco Style. Eco Style always gets your baby hairs right, I swear. Do we like that, guys? Or not? Nah. Nope. I mean, it's cute, but no. I think I'm gonna have that out, and I'm gonna go in with some more Eco Style. I was gonna keep the part, but I think I'm gonna remove the part.
Back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better.
And today I opted for no sideburns, but this is the cute look. Oh my god, so cute. So cute. We're done the insole. I'm gonna gently comb her out. Wow, this wig is beautiful.
Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I own, I speak it.
This turned out so cute. Oh my goodness. This is the only way I'm gonna wear this wig now. Mm-hmm.
With that, jump on my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day.
This is actually a fresh out of the box install. As you can see, the curls are still very much giving fresh out of the box and beautiful. This honey blonde wig, I decided to leave these two little pieces here because the highlights go lighter and darker and they are so pretty. Though the brightest blonde is very ashy and it is more like a coppery brown. It's just beautiful, you guys. I love this color. These types of wigs look really good on me and I really do love them. Of course, I have nothing bad to say. It's only good thoughts. And the density, guys, really full. Like, she's giving a lot of hair. Wig, if you haven't ever tried this type of color before or curl pattern, this water wave curly, it hits every single time. Like, for the summer, you definitely need one of these wigs, you guys. Like, I'm not even playing you. This color will hit every time. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be linked in the description box below, so check that out before you go. Okay, those are my final thoughts, guys. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.